Hey YouTube, I'm back. I wanted to talk to you guys about a decision that I made with my daughter's hair. I recently did Braidlocs on my youngest daughter hair, who is 6 years old. And the reason why I decided to go with that is because she actually has autism. And a lot of times when I'm doing her hair, she's crying. You know, even if I just put the comb through her hair, she's crying. Not even combing it, she's crying. So I decided to go forth with doing Braidlocs on her hair. I will try to update you guys with her as much as I can. I'll insert pictures at the end of this video so you can see how it turned out. All right, thanks for watching.